to American Dream Mansions, where luxury isn't just seen, it's experienced. Today, we're taking you inside a spectacular world-class estate that represents the highest level of modern luxury living. From the very first glance, this home makes a powerful statement of elegance, craftsmanship, and architectural brilliance. As the drone rises for a daytime aerial view, the scale of this luxury mansion becomes instantly clear. The bold exterior design combines black stone finishes, rich brown textures, and warm golden yellow highlights that glow beautifully under natural sunlight. Clean architectural lines, expansive glass walls, and perfectly manicured landscaping give this estate a commanding yet welcoming presence. Approaching the grand entrance, you're greeted by massive doors framed with premium materials and subtle golden lighting. The entrance sets the tone for what lies ahead, refined, luxurious, and thoughtfully designed. Stepping inside, the double-height foyer opens up with dramatic impact. Natural light pours in through floor-to-ceiling windows, reflecting off elegant surfaces and creating an atmosphere of timeless sophistication. The living room is a masterpiece of comfort and style. Plush black seating contrasts beautifully with warm brown wooden flooring and golden accent lighting. This space is designed for both relaxation and entertaining, offering panoramic views of the outdoor areas while maintaining an intimate and cozy feel. Moving into the TV lounge, the mood shifts to pure entertainment luxury. Deep black tones, soft golden ambient lighting, and custom wall panels create the perfect cinematic experience. This is where evenings turn into unforgettable moments, whether it's movie nights or hosting guests in style. The heart of the home is the kitchen, a perfect blend of function and design. Sleek black cabinetry with golden handles, rich brown stone countertops, and state-of-the-art appliances define this gourmet space. The large island invites conversation, making it ideal for family gatherings or private chef experiences. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area offers a refined atmosphere for formal meals. A statement dining table sits beneath an elegant golden chandelier, surrounded by modern seating. Every detail here reflects balance, luxury, and thoughtful craftsmanship. One of the most serene areas of the home is the prayer room. Designed as a peaceful retreat, this space features soft lighting, minimal design elements, and calming textures. It offers a quiet escape from the world, perfectly aligned with the home's luxury philosophy of balance and well-being. As we explore further, the private spaces of the mansion reveal themselves. The master bedroom is nothing short of extraordinary. A spacious layout, black and brown tones, and warm golden lighting create a hotel-level experience. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer stunning views, while the design ensures privacy and comfort. The master bathroom feels like a private spa. Black marble surfaces, golden fixtures, and a custom brown vanity combine to create a relaxing sanctuary. This is where luxury meets tranquility, designed for daily indulgence. For fitness enthusiasts, the home gym delivers a premium experience. Equipped with modern machines, black and brown finishes, and natural light, this space motivates both body and mind without ever leaving home. Step outside and the estate truly comes alive. The swimming pool area is designed like a private resort. Black pool tiles reflect golden sunlight, while the brown deck provides a warm contrast. This outdoor space is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying peaceful moments under the open sky. Every corner of this mansion has been carefully designed to offer comfort, beauty, and functionality. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle statement. Thank you for joining American Dream Mansions on this exclusive luxury tour. If you enjoyed experiencing this extraordinary estate, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more breathtaking homes, elite architecture, and dream mansions from around the world. Until next time, keep dreaming big, because this is American Dream Mansions.